Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's an exciting video. I love Power Hour cleaning, and that's exactly what we're gonna be doing in this all new Power Hour Clean With Me Get Out to-do list done, bring you some cleaning motivation. This is a collab with my friend Telma. Her channel is Cleaning with Telma. She is so motivating, inspiring, and super sweet. She has a beautiful home and she is all about that cleaning motivation. If you love watching whole house cleans with me, speed cleaning, extreme cleans, then you will really enjoy her channel. You have to check her out after my video. Her links will be in the description box below. And I want to thank you again, Telma, for doing this collab with me. If you are coming over from Telma's channel, hi and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like this video, I have plenty more like this, and I would love for you to subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up. A power hour is when you set your timer for 60 minutes and you try to get done as much as you can within that 60 minutes. I mean, you can do some speed cleaning, you can take it more easy, do a little bit more of a relaxed cleaning. But today I'm just gonna, go with the flow. I'm in my kitchen. I have to, do the dishwasher, dishes, clean and all that. And I also want to declutter my spice cabinet and get that all organized and cleaned up. We'll see if I can add like a little bit more extra to that. I'm very competitive with myself. I like to get it done within the hour, but you know what? It is what it is. So if I have extra time, I'll see what else I can add to that. Going to disinfect, clean the sink real well. I have the 7th generation disinfectant wipes I'm going to use, as well as the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose surface cleaner, so I'm going to use that. I'm also going to make a little concoction with baking soda and some essential oils and put it down the drain to kind of just get that cleaned out as well and smelling fresh.
Remember time.
Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit for a little while. That's the baking soda. I used this eucalyptus. I couldn't find my lemon. I would have used lemon, but eucalyptus, I can't say the word, smells very fresh, so I'm enjoying that. Okay, 41 minutes left. Let's get started with the spice cabinet.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Okay, so it's looking much better, much neater. There's more space. I got rid of all the empty containers that were in there. I would hope to one day have a nice Pinterest-worthy little seasoning cabinet, but this is good for now. And I am loving how neat it looks.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deep.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is lift up the runner and just steam mop the floor in here. And then it says there's about like 22 minutes left on the clock, so I'm gonna start the steam mopping, then vacuum the runner, and then move on to the next room.
Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
Now what I haven't done in this part of the kitchen in a while is wipe down the walls in this part and the mold-ins. It looks a little bit dusty, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm also thinking that we might give like a fresh coat of white paint, maybe in a few weeks, to just brighten it up a little bit more. Minutes left on this power hour clean with me. I hope you enjoyed. I got done everything that I think I wanted to do on my to-do list today in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed. You got some clean and motivation, and I'll see you in my next one.